Hey there, welcome back to Grandma's Vibes, where we blend timeless wisdom with modern charm to help you navigate life, love, and everything in between. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to many hearts: how to attract someone who doesn't seem interested in you at first. Whether you're crushing on someone special or just looking to improve your dating game, this video is packed with powerful practical tips that'll help you create a genuine connection. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's get started. Introduction. Hello, my dear friends. I'm so glad you're here. If you're new to Grandma's Vibes, welcome to our little corner of the internet, where we share life lessons, love advice, and a whole lot of heartwarming vibes. Today, we're talking about something that many of you have asked about: how to attract someone who doesn't seem interested in you at first. Let's face it, we've all been there. You meet someone who catches your eye, but for some reason they don't seem to notice you the same way. It can feel disheartening. But here's the truth: attraction isn't always instant. Sometimes it takes a little effort, a sprinkle of confidence, and a dash of charm to turn things around. And guess what? You've got all of that within you. In this video, we'll explore some tried and true strategies to help you make a lasting impression, build a deeper connection, and maybe even win over that special someone. Remember, love isn't about changing who you are. It's about showing the best version of yourself. So, let's dive in. 1. Use your eyes to make an impression. Let's start with something simple yet powerful: eye contact. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul, and it's true. When you look someone in the eye, you're showing them that you're present, engaged, and genuinely interested. But here's a little secret: focus on their left eye. Research suggests that looking into someone's left eye can stimulate the release of oxytocin, also known as the love hormone. This hormone helps build trust and emotional bonding. So the next time you're talking to her, try holding her gaze gently and warmly. Let your eyes convey sincerity and kindness. A meaningful look can say more than words ever could. It's a small gesture, but it can create a deep, intimate connection that makes her feel special and valued. Remember, it's not about staring. It's about creating a moment of connection that lingers in her mind long after the conversation ends. 2. Change your scent. Now let's talk about something that often goes unnoticed but has a huge impact: your scent. Did you know that scent has the power to influence emotions more than words? It's true. A study found that men who wear appealing fragrances not only feel more confident, but also attract women more easily. Your scent is an extension of your personality. It's like your invisible signature. It leaves a lasting impression even when you're not around. So take some time to find a fragrance that reflects your style and enhances your natural appeal. Whether it's something fresh and citrusy or warm and musky, choose a scent that makes you feel good. When you smell great, you feel great. And when you feel great, your confidence shines through. Plus, a great scent can trigger fond memories, making her think of you even when you're not together. It's a subtle yet powerful way to stay on her mind. 3. Beat anxiety with natural supplements. Let's be honest, approaching someone you like can be nerve-wracking. Butterflies in your stomach, sweaty palms, that feeling of dread. It's completely normal. But here's the good news: you can manage those nerves with a little help from natural supplements. Certain vitamins and herbal extracts, like ashwagandha or L-theanine, can help reduce stress and boost your confidence. These supplements work by calming your mind and enhancing your focus, making social interactions feel more natural and effortless. When you're relaxed and at ease, your true personality shines through, and that's when attraction happens naturally. So if you're feeling anxious, consider trying a natural supplement to help you stay calm and confident. Remember, confidence is key, and managing your anxiety is the first step towards showing her the best version of yourself. 4. Call a loved one before meeting her. Here's a simple yet effective trick: call a loved one before your date. Hearing a familiar, reassuring voice can work wonders in calming your nerves. Whether it's your mom, your best friend, or your sibling, a quick conversation with someone who cares about you can boost your confidence and set a positive tone for your interaction. When you enter the date feeling calm and self-assured, she'll pick up on that energy. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude confidence and stability. So this little trick can help you set the right tone from the start. Plus, it's a great reminder that you're loved and supported, no matter what happens. Plan an exciting and unique date. Let's talk about dates. While dinner and a movie are classic options, they can sometimes feel a bit routine. If you really want to make an impression, try planning something unique and exciting. Think outside the box. How about a spontaneous road trip to a nearby town? Or maybe a fun activity like rock climbing, pottery making, or even a cooking class. These types of dates create strong emotional responses, making her feel more connected to you. When she experiences an adrenaline rush or a sense of excitement with you, her attraction naturally intensifies. The key is to create memorable moments that she'll associate with you. By stepping out of your comfort zone and trying something new together, you're showing her that you're adventurous, thoughtful, and full of surprises. And who doesn't love a little adventure? 6. Show confidence in social settings. Confidence isn't just about how you interact with her. It's about how you engage with the world around you. When you're out on a date, be friendly and effortless in your conversations with waiters, bartenders, or even strangers nearby. This signals that you're comfortable in social settings and have a natural charisma. When she sees that you're well regarded and can navigate different social situations with ease, she'll subconsciously view you as a high-value man, someone who's respected, capable, and attractive. Remember, confidence is contagious. When you're confident, she'll feel more at ease and drawn to you. So don't be afraid to show off your social skills and let your personality shine. 7. Pay for the date. Discreetly. Here's a small but meaningful gesture. Pay for the date discreetly. Instead of making a big show of it, handle the bill quietly when she steps away. This subtle action communicates that you're confident, responsible, and in control. It's not about showing off or trying to impress her. It's about demonstrating maturity and independence. When you pay without drawing attention to it, she'll feel valued without feeling obligated. It's a simple yet powerful way to leave a lasting impression. 8. Don't rush to kiss. Finally, let's talk about physical intimacy. While it's tempting to go in for a kiss at the end of a date, sometimes it's better to hold back. By not rushing into a kiss, you create a sense of intrigue and anticipation. A sincere hug and a warm goodbye can leave her wanting more. This builds excitement and deepens the attraction, as she'll wonder when the next moment will come. By showing restraint, you demonstrate confidence, self-control, and respect, all of which make you more desirable. Attraction isn't about flashy gestures or expensive gifts. It's about the way you carry yourself, the subtle ways you show interest, and the confidence you exude. From eye contact to small, meaningful actions, every detail plays a role in creating a deep, lasting connection. Remember, you're worthy of love and appreciation. By being your authentic self and putting in a little effort, you can open new doors in your relationship with her. So take these tips, apply them with sincerity, and watch as your connection grows stronger. Thank you for joining me on Grandma's Vibes today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heartwarming advice. And as always, remember, you are enough, and you deserve all the love in the world. Until next time, take care and keep spreading those good vibes.